The Rexing V1 170-degree, wide-angle dashboard camera. Discrete design. The low-profile design enables the V1 to be a well-hidden witness to everything that happens on the road ahead. Full HD recording. The image sensor captures video footage in beautiful Full HD at 30 frames per second. Wide dynamic range. The wide dynamic range of the camera allows it to perform optimally in any lighting conditions. The exposure is adjusted automatically to ensure that you always record high-quality footage. Loop recording. You can record video in 3, 5 or 10-minute intervals. When the memory card is full, any new recordings will automatically overwrite the oldest recordings. Memory cards, up to 256 megabytes, are supported. 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens. The ultra-wide lens allows you to capture unrestricted, panoramic views of the road ahead. Accident auto detection. When the accident auto detection function is triggered by a collision, the current video is locked. Once the video has been locked, it is protected and kept safe from being overwritten. The Rexing V1 170-degree, wide-angle, dashboard camera is an excellent choice for anyone who is looking for a high-quality dash cam at a sensible price.